No.
What?
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
No, don't do that. We're doing a blind Oreo challenge. Alright, first Oreo.
What does it taste like?
Bite it. What kind is it?
Wipe.
Huh?
It tastes like wipe. Take a bite.
Okay, second Oreo. No, don't look.
This one.
I think you can see it.
I think I can see it.
Just bite it. What does that one taste like?
Caramel apple.
Caramel apple?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright. Last one. Which one's that one? Ethan.
What?
Which one is that one?
Original.
Original? Alright. So let's take the blindfold off. Sleepy kid. Okay. So you said this one was white. You got that one wrong. This one was caramel apple.
And this one original.
Okay, so this one is actually the white one. The golden Oreos. This one is mint. And you got the original right. Good job! Now you're just gonna have a cookie face. Say bye!
Cheese.
No, say bye!
Bye.